By default, the Nintendo Switch requires pressing the same button 3 times to unlock the screen after waking up. The screen lock feature prevents accidental inputs but can be inconvenient for many users. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable or disable screen lock on your Switch. Let's get started. First, on the Switch home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down the left side menu to Screen Lock. On the right side, you'll see Lock Console in Sleep Mode. If this is turned on, the Switch will require you to press the same button 3 times when waking up. If you turn this off, your console will wake instantly with a single button press. Toggle it depending on what you prefer. That's all there is to it. Following these steps can significantly improve your console experience. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.